Why create a custom WordPress plugin? Have you ever been told by a so-called WordPress developer or web designer, "Oh, that can't be done in WordPress"? What if I told you they were wrong? The truth is, with the right skills, you can overcome these so-called limitations by developing your own custom plugins. With this power, the possibilities become endless. Say goodbye to the frustrating hunt through the seemingly endless repository of plugins that almost fit your needs, but never quite hit the mark. By building a custom plugin or by modifying an existing one, you can tailor your WordPress site to meet your exact requirements and add functionality that simply doesn't exist elsewhere. And here's the exciting news. With advancements in AI tools, creating custom WordPress plugins has never been easier or faster. Whether you're looking to automate a process, add unique features, or create a whole new experience for your users, building a custom WordPress plugin empowers you to take full control over your website. Don't settle for "it can't be done." Take the reins and build exactly what you need. Contact us today to start your custom plugin project, or take our free WordPress Plugin Development Course to make it yourself. Click the link in the description to take our course, or watch the next video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with future content.